guys, welcome back to my gaming channel. My gaming channel's name, 2 1 Games Gaming. Oh no, I want to stay still. So we are doing your raw stores. So make sure to this. Hit the like button and we will come to you guys to new here, but enjoy. But getting into war here, I forgot it. Getting into war, my friend, have been needed to be. I did down these days, okay? I will make sure to edit it up, because I'm not sure they have school tomorrow or Thursday. That's the whole weather going on in this season of the day. I'm not sure of that school. Cause, I don't know, that's the weather? No, that's my brain is not working? I don't know. We'll have to let's see about that. Let's hear out your money. Going back right to the end because somebody keeps missing our draw. And it's There's our puppy dog. There is. What are you doing? There is. Okay, we'll close it here. You be nice. Crazy? Almost hit on the head. Oh my goodness, God. You scared me like that. Alright. Almost hit me. Alright, shut that. Oh, wrong door, I gotta hurry. Okay. Whoa, whoa! Oh my goodness! The pub is hitting in the head again. Serious, always hitting me in the head. Alright, I'll make sure it'll be alright. I'm in here. Well, right here, if we don't up in the head. You don't, okay? I'm going that garage, I guess. If you don't wait the way you something. Alrighty. That closer to me, Ellie. Okay. Oh, phew. Alright. Alright. Loosen that door first. Don't. Okay. Next, I'm not going to make it into the next garage. Just open the roof. Open on the left road. I'm going that garage. Oh, no, it's nervous. So come back. Are you kidding me? We're not. The buck dog won't hurt. Oh, that last garage. This was okay. Oh. Alrighty, feeding cold. It is someone is after that's where we got it in the. Get on me, dude. What? They want to do stuff. Alright. Open that door right now. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. The thing was not like working in here. Wow, I know forgot to put that thing up. There we go. No, why is so white in there? Alright, I'm going that garage to end the up close is going to get me. Let's see. This. Not that one, I don't know. So I'm going to be it for the Tuesday new video. So make sure to say, yeah, why? Hit the like button, and we will come and see you guys new here. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.